Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for all things home decor and design. Today, we're diving into a topic that's sure to spark your imagination: small backyard pools on a budget and tips for how to create a beautiful and functional oasis in your own backyard. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. A small backyard pool on a budget is a swimming pool that's designed to fit into a smaller space and is built within a specific financial constraint. It's a way to enjoy the luxury of a pool without breaking the bank or sacrificing style. Here are some of the benefits of creating small backyard pool on a budget. First, enhanced property value. A well-designed pool can significantly increase the value of your home. Second, improved quality of life. Having a pool in your backyard can provide a relaxing and enjoyable space for you and your family. Third, health and fitness. Swimming is a great way to stay active and healthy. Fourth, social gathering spot. A pool can be a fantastic place to host friends and family. The cost of a small backyard pool on a budget can vary widely depending on several factors, including: first, size and shape of the pool. Larger pools will naturally cost more. Second, materials used. Different materials, such as fiberglass, vinyl, or concrete, have varying price points. Third, installation costs. The cost of labor and equipment for installation can significantly impact the overall price. Fourth, permits and inspections. Local regulations may require permits and inspections, which can add to the cost. Fifth, additional features. Features like heaters, filters, and lighting can increase the price. Here's a rough estimate for a small backyard pool on a budget. 1. Inflatable pools. Typically range from $100 to $500. 2. Above-ground pools. Can cost anywhere from $500 to $3,000 or more, depending on the size and materials. 3. In-ground pools. Can be more expensive, ranging from $5,000 to $20,000 or more. Remember that these are just estimates. The actual cost will depend on your specific needs and local market conditions. It's always a good idea to get quotes from multiple contractors to compare prices and services. Decorating your small backyard pool is essential to creating a visually appealing and inviting space. Here are some tips for decorate your small backyard pool on a budget. First, choose a color palette. Select colors that complement your home's exterior and create a cohesive look. Second, add greenery. Plants can help to soften the space and create a natural ambience. Third, incorporate lighting. Outdoor lighting can enhance the pool's atmosphere, especially in the evening. Fourth, use decorative accessories. Add personal touches with items like floating candles, pool toys, and poolside furniture. When it comes to equipping your small backyard pool, choosing the right items can make a big difference in both functionality and aesthetics. Here's a breakdown of essential items to consider, and of course all within a budget-friendly range. 1. Inflatable pools. These are a great option for those on a tight budget or with limited space. They're easy to set up and take down, but can be affected by weather conditions and may not be as durable as other options. 2. Above-ground pools. Offering more space than inflatable pools, above-ground pools are a versatile choice. They can be customized with various liners and accessories, but may require more maintenance and can be visually intrusive in some backyards. 3. In-ground pools. For a permanent and luxurious look, in-ground pools are the way to go. However, they require significant upfront investment, installation time, and ongoing maintenance. 4. Pool decks. A pool deck can enhance your outdoor space and provide a comfortable area for lounging. However, they can be expensive to install and may require regular maintenance. 5. Pool furniture. Comfortable pool furniture can make your backyard oasis even more enjoyable. However, it can be bulky and take up space, and may need to be stored indoors during harsh weather. 6. Pool accessories. From pool floats to umbrellas, accessories can add fun and functionality to your pool. However, they can be expensive and may require regular maintenance. 7. Pool cleaning supplies. Keeping your pool clean and healthy is essential, but it can be costly to purchase the necessary cleaning supplies. 8. Pool heaters. Extend your swimming season and enjoy your pool year-round with a pool heater. However, they can be expensive to install and operate. 9. Pool covers. Pool covers protect your pool from debris and reduce heat loss, saving you money on heating costs. However, they can be difficult to remove and replace. 10. Pool lighting. Create a stunning nighttime ambience with pool lighting. However, it can be expensive to install and may require regular maintenance. Creating a small backyard pool on a budget is achievable with careful planning and creativity. By following these tips and incorporating the right elements, you can transform your outdoor space into a beautiful and enjoyable oasis. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and make your pool a reflection of your personal style. Start planning your dream backyard pool today. Visit our website for more inspiration and design ideas. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future updates on home decor and design. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.